Another SolidCAM simulator enhancement in SolidCAM 2020 is the new stationary tool feature, which enables you to keep the tool stationary instead of the part during simulation playback. With my example part opened, I'll go to the SolidCAM Manager, right-click Operations, and select SolidCAM Simulator. When the SolidCAM Simulator window appears, I'll start by going to the menu. Here, Stationary Tool can be turned on and off. The same can be done using the Playback Options menu. Keeping the tool stationary can be especially useful when simulating multi-axis or multi-sided parts like the one we have here. In such cases, the tool can sometimes be hidden when it is moving around the part. So, for example, let's first play the simulation with Stationary Tool disabled. For the many operations having fourth-axis transformations, you'll notice the tool is hidden behind the part and, unless I manually rotate or make viewing adjustments, it can be difficult to always see the tool's cutting actions on the part and the corresponding material removal. Now, I'll enable Stationary Tool and start my simulation from the beginning. We can see the part is now moving while the tool remains stationary. Keeping the tool stationary can be useful when simulating large parts too. For example, I'll close this part and open another larger part. Then, of course, I'll open the SolidCAM simulator. Now, when simulating large parts, Stationary Tool enables you to zoom in and focus on the exact area that's in contact with the cutting tool. Stationary Tool also now provides us with a very unique perspective on three-axis toolpath. That is, I'll turn off my holder visibility, and then by switching to the top view, I can now easily see, with each movement, how the tool is engaging the material during simulation playback.